As a beginner in skincare, there are some things that you need to know, some basic things that you need to know before you go and start buying products. You have to know your skin type. You cannot just go as a beginner, go to the store and start picking things. And there are 5 types of skin, or 4 types. We have the dry, the normal, the sensitive, the combination, and the oily. So 5 skin types. So you fall into one of these 5 skin types. You have to make sure you know your skin type. It is quite easy for you to know your skin type. Okay, how I usually know my skin type, or how I knew my skin type, was that after washing my face, I did not apply anything on my face for like 20 minutes, and later on I noticed that my cheeks was dry, and then the T-zone of my face, the T-zone is your forehead down to your nose, I noticed that the T-zone was oily and my cheeks was dry. That was how I knew that I had combination skin. Other times my face would just be normal, so I have like normal to combination skin. So if your skin is free from blemishes or acne, and after washing your face you notice that you don't have any oiliness or any dryness, that means you have a normal skin. It's pretty easy for you to know if you have a normal skin. If you don't have any acne or any pimples, and your face is not too dry or not too oily, that means you have a normal skin. If you have dry skin and you don't know you have dry skin, take a mirror, look at your face. If you see that your pores, like you have very tiny pores, and you notice that your face is always so itchy and your face is dry to the touch and is also rough, it might be that you have dry skin. If you wash your face, leave your face for like 20 to 30 minutes. If your face is so dry and is itching you, that means you have a very dry skin. And like I said earlier, if you check your pores, you see that your pores are very small and fine, that means you have dry skin. That is one way to know that you have dry skin. For people that have oily skin, if you look at the mirror, you will see that your pores are a little bit enlarged. If you have enlarged pores, that means you have oily skin. And also, if your face is oily, like all over your face is oily, your T-zone is oily, your cheeks is oily, that means you have oily skin. And if you are prone to blackheads and acne, it might mean that you actually have oily skin. Okay, and like I said, you can also do the water test. Wash your face with water and leave your face bare for like 20 to 30 minutes. If your face starts producing oil on its own, it just means that you have oily skin. A way to know if you have oily skin is just by looking at your pores. So for people with combination skin, combination face, some part of your face might be dry, some might be oily, like your T-zone might be oily, your cheeks is dry, that means you have combination skin. For people that have sensitive skin, if you notice that you put anything on your face and your face starts to itch you, or your face starts turning red, it might be that you actually have sensitive skin. Like any small thing you put on your face like this, your face starts scratching you or you start breaking out, that means you have sensitive skin. So the first thing you want to do as a beginner in skincare, you have to make sure you know your skin type, so that you know the type of products that you need to buy. So the next thing you want to do after knowing your skin type is to buy the necessary products. There are some products that are not really necessary for you, but you need to buy the ones that are necessary, and I'm going to mention the necessary ones and the ones that are not so necessary. Okay, so the necessary products that you need to buy after knowing your skin type is your face cleansers, your face moisturizer, your face toners, your face serums, and then your sunscreen. Those are the basic things that you need to buy. You have a dry skin, you know you need to buy products that will add moisture into your skin. You don't need any products that will strip your skin off of its natural oils. Okay, you need to start buying products that will add moisture to your skin. So before you go and buy anything, make sure you have it at the back of your mind. Okay, oh, I have a dry skin, I need to buy products that contain some certain ingredients like ceramides and hyaluronic acid. The same thing for oily skin. You want to make sure you buy products that are for your skin type, products that would not completely strip your skin of its oiliness, but at the same time balance out your face. If you have a sensitive skin, you know you're supposed to stay away from acids that would, aggravate the situation of your skin. If you know you have a combination or a normal skin, you can get away with some kind of skincare products. Okay, so you want to make sure you buy products that suit your skin type. In my description box, I'm going to have products and skin type. Like, I'm going to have skin type and products that you can use for your skin. I've talked about this several times on my channel, and I don't want to repeat myself, so make sure you check my description box, because I've made a list of products that you can use for your skin type. Another thing that you need to buy is a toilet bag. You guys can see my toilet bag on the shelf. You can buy that type of bag, or if you have where to place your skincare products, then it's fine, but just make sure you have a place where you can organize your skincare products to avoid spillage and all of that stuff. Okay, so you can actually buy a toilet bag if you don't have one. Arrange all your skincare products in it for easy carriage. Okay, another thing that you need to do, if you don't have anything for your skincare at all, if you don't have exfoliating gloves, you want to make sure that you buy one. I've talked about this thing several times on my channel. Buy exfoliating gloves. Okay, use exfoliating gloves on your body. This one is very, very important. It is a necessary item in your skincare routine. You can also buy African net sponge. I'm going to have the picture on the screen. You can also buy this too for your body if you have not been using one before. And another thing that you can buy is body scrubs or body polishes. They are really, really important as a beginner in your skincare routine. You want to make sure you are exfoliating your skin to give you brighter and more glowing skin. So now that you have bought the primary things, which are your moisturizers and the rest, if you have extra money, then you can buy the secondary things. Don't go and buy the secondary things before buying the primary things. Primary things are very, very important. Primary essentials are important before you start thinking of buying secondary items. Now, after you have gotten all your primary items, you can start buying the secondary ones, like your lip masks, your face masks, your clay masks, and then you can even add supplements to it. Okay, if you want to buy a lip mask, you can actually get it, especially if you have very, very dry and cracked lips, as lip masks can actually help to hydrate your lips and make them more plumper. Okay, so this is something you can buy later on after you have settled the primary parts. You can also buy sheet masks for your face. Sheet masks are known to add moisture to your skin, give you this glowy skin. Some even have like vitamin C in it, or even have really, really good skincare ingredients that can help to even out your skin. But if you have a very good moisturizer or a very good serum, then I don't see a reason why you should buy a sheet mask. Okay, these things are secondary. Then another secondary thing is supplements. If you are eating right as a beginner in skincare, if you have your diet is filled with fruits, vegetables, you are eating the right kind of foods, then you are going to have glowy skin. You necessarily do not need supplements to now glow your skin. So now that you have known your skin type, you have bought the necessary products, both face and body, the next thing you want to do is to give your skin time to adjust to these products. Okay, as a beginner in skincare, the worst thing you can do for yourself and your pockets is just going to buy different products because you feel like the one you've bought is not working. You have to develop what they call patience. You have to be very, very patient with whatever thing that you are using. If you are a beginner in skincare and you have gotten some certain skincare products, just wait a little. Wait for like 2 to 3 months and see if you have noticed any changes. Okay, you cannot just go and buy a product, it's not working, and you have gone to buy another one. All these things is telling on your pockets because this economy is not smiling at all. So you want to make sure you are patient, be at ease, and follow your skincare routine properly and see if you are seeing any changes, you are seeing any positive results at the end. So guys, the next thing you need to know is know when to call it quits. Okay, know when to call it quits with any skincare products that you are using, be it your moisturizer, your sunscreen, your body lotion, whatever thing you are using. Know when to call it quits. If you have a dry skin, for example, and you are using a product that is supposed to add moisture to your skin, and at the end of the day it is even drying you out more, or it is not just suitable for your skin, then just stop using it. You don't have to wait for the product to completely destroy your skin before you now say, okay, I'm not using it again. If you are using a product and it's causing you eczema or acne, even if you feel like you've bought the right product, just stop using it. Okay, know when to call it quits as a beginner. Let's say, for example, you have sensitive skin and you went to buy a product that is for sensitive skin, but at the end of the day the product is still even causing you more acne and facial redness, you don't have to wait for like 1 to 2 months or to 3 months before you know that okay, I have to stop this thing. If you stop for a while and you pick it up again and use it another time and it is still the same result, then just throw it away. It is not good for you. So as a beginner, you have to know when to call it quits with any products that you are using at all. Even if it's sunscreen, if you are using a sunscreen and it is causing you acne or it is just damaging your skin, know when to call it quit. Just say, okay, I'm not using this thing again. I've used it for like 1 month, I'm not seeing improvement, or it is even damaging my skin. Especially if it is damaging your skin, then just call it quits. You're not doing again. So guys, that is it for today's video. I am going to have in my description box products that you can use as a normal oily combination and sensitive skin. I'm going to have products that you can actually use in my description box. Okay, I did not want to come here and start talking about products for combination normal. It is just going to be too long, so make sure you check my description box because I'm going to have products that you can use. Just take a screenshot of all these products and you can go and buy them. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys.